You can earn $950 in free PayPal money from a new website that I'm about to show in this video. Just stay tuned with this video till the end and you will be amazed how easy and how good this opportunity is to earn $950 in free PayPal money. This is pure free method, but without wasting any time, just head on over to the strategy, the site that I'm about to show in this video. It's called Kraken.com. Yes, Kraken.com is a Bitcoin exchange marketplace. Yes, this is a crypto trading platform that you can use that to earn money by just trading crypto, and people around the world are looking for this crypto world because crypto world is booming right now, and you can just get attraction to those peoples who are interested in this. Is a really good opportunity to jump back right into actions and make money with this. You can just simply start with $10 here, but definitely to earn money in this website you do not need to be any investment. You need to need any investment. Just stay with my videos instead. Just see this strategy, how easy it is to earn money with this Kraken website. So we are using Kraken website. We are not trading bitcoins or cryptocurrency, but simply pay good attentions here, because if you do not follow this method, this is not going to work for you. So if you just want to be a good earner in this method, you have to watch this strategy. So all it takes is just go over to this website. We are not going to trade any cryptocurrencies, we are not going to invest any money. This is a pure free method. Just go down below, and in the about sections of this website you can see that there is an affiliate link. So click on it, affiliate link. This will bring this page right here. You can see that they are going to pay you 20% commissions lifetime for every clients you bring using their affiliate program, and you can earn up to $1,000 per referral you bring to this platform. So this is really good online opportunity. You can just simply get 10 customers to this website, and no matter how they're going to stay on these platforms, no matter how many exchanges they did, the customers invest money and you get 20% commissions from that, and up to you can make $1,000 per customer. So 10 people, 10 referral from using your referral link, you can make up to $10,000 in this website. So this is a really cool way to earn money online. So all it requires is just simply a minimum social accounts or a simple social accounts with a 5,000 followers, but definitely you can start for free. Right now in days we have social presence and we have much more followers than that. We have pages. You can just create pages, or definitely you have some pages. In any type of niche you can build that page. No requirement of crypto related or no license, and crypto related pages are also allowed here. So you can make any page you like and build some audience with free traffic, and nowadays it's very easy to build something like that. But definitely if you just have a website, that then you do not need any traffic volume to apply in this. So simply if you just have a blogger website like this, you just go over to blogger.com and rewrite some financial related articles, crypto related articles, and post it there, and you can apply with these websites. And also you can have a personal websites. You can buy this just simple $10 investment, and you have a websites, and you can promote it. You can show that Kraken that you have a website to promote their affiliate links, and you are good to go with this method. But we do not need those websites. We are not going to use. I'm going to show you how you can easily get free traffic to these offers, and easily it is just for required for the registration purpose. I remember I told you you have to be attentive, be active. You don't get accepted easily in this affiliate program. They are very strict, but definitely if you just follow my instructions, you are going to get accepted without any problem. So click on the link here in the application form, click here to become an affiliate. It will show something like this. It is a simple form details, you just fill it your personal details here. And in the partner type, this is very important, in the partner type sections you just click any sections you like: email, search engine, loyalty, coupons, CPA, mobile, content, shopping, anything you like, but do not select offline or other. If we select offline or other, it will be auto decline, they will auto decline your applications as an affiliate, so it's not going to work. So just select anything you like, and then in the property type you just select your website, you just click on website and post your website link or blog sites link here. And then in the social network sections you fill in as many social account as you have. Or the better you have, the better opportunity, the better possibilities that you will get accepted. So fill in all the social network profile you have here, and then just hit on sign up, and you just will it will take some time to verify, and no matter what you will get accepted. And then when you get accepted, you will get an affiliate link for to promote, and you can earn 20% commissions every customers you get for a lifetime. So this is the first part of this method. The second part, how you're going to get traffic to those affiliate links. So we are using reddit.com. Yes, we are using reddit.com. Reddit is the biggest platform. Crypto topics are really booming right now in reddit.com. So you just go over to Reddit and search it like how to buy cryptocurrency, or specifically you just go over to crypto trading places, and you just study how many cryptos are present at the moment, and you can search it specifically with that crypto, like Bitcoin. If you just search it like how to buy Bitcoin and search in Reddit, you will see lots of people are asking the same questions, and you can answer those questions very easily. And you can just also join those community and peoples related to cryptocurrency and post valuable contents, and also you can post valuable contents with your affiliate link. But definitely, as I always say, posting your affiliate link directly is not allowed in every social media. So definitely you need to trick a little. So what is the trick? What's the tips? I am going to show you the way that you just simply go over to youtube.com. Yes, go over to YouTube and search it like how to buy cryptocurrency, and you can see that peoples all around the world, it's the regular peoples just making cryptocurrency related videos out there. And this is really awesome way you can start. This is simply just you have a Gmail account, you just create a YouTube channel and start posting valuable articles, valuable art content related videos. You just simply explain it how to buy cryptocurrency using Kraken. You just simply join Kraken and just simply video screen record it using a free software, and there are lots of available free software. You just simply make this video how to buy a cryptocurrency on Kraken, and make a video and upload it to your YouTube channel, and then in the descriptions or in the first comment post your affiliate Kraken affiliate link, and then you just promote that YouTube video URL link to reddit.com answer post. You just answer all the questions people are asking, and at the end of that answer you post that YouTube link. And this is completely safe and 100% working strategy that is going to be working for you as well, for sure. And you will make thousands of dollars without any problem. You can see that you can make thousands of dollars every single customers you bring to this platform. So opportunity is limitless. All you have to do, just bring people to this platform, and you can make money with ease. All it takes is be active and money will follow you. If you are liking this method, just hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet and want to get all the Make Money Online strategy upcoming days, you just be a subscriber to this channel. Hit the subscribe button with the notification bell so you always stay with my latest videos every day. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.